the way I look at like everything else other than dropshipping is dropshipping has 1,000,001 problems, but so does every business. Like dropshipping has huge headaches in terms of payment holds, in terms of ad account bans and all these bullshit things and supplier issues, and you get fucked over. Like there's loads of different problems, but it has so much upside compared to these other things. And you can run an incredibly lean business and do dropshipping. Like you said, you can have like lean. 3 to 5 main employees, maybe some extra VAs, whatever.
Like extra contractors.
Yeah. But you can do like $1 million a month. Like literally with an agency, you're going to have a team of like 50.
Yeah. If you want to do 200 grand in a month, you need like minimum 25 full-time staff.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Minimum, maybe 20 minimum. But like my mate's doing 200k a month. He's got like 60 staff.
Yeah, which is ridiculous.
It's just nuts.
It's terrible.
It's nuts. And you work fucking loads with an agency. Yeah. So.
Whereas dropshipping, you're always working for yourself, and you do actually have the ability to build something longer term and exit. Exiting an agency is very difficult.
It's like, pretty much, I would say, near impossible. You can do it, but like
you can sell clients to other agencies, but it's fucking hard.
But it's just not really a goal that I would aspire to do.
Yeah, yeah. So obviously talking about exiting, because I think that is a big pro and something that I've tried to do with like my shitty dropshipping stores, and it hasn't really worked so well. But how did you go about exiting your store? So your $3.5 million dropshipping store, like why did you get an exit? Like why did you want one in the first place? And how did you actually go to do it? Because I feel like it's quite difficult to get an exit for a dropshipping store. Yeah. Or maybe I'm wrong.
It's easier now. But yeah, so I sort of move with intention. I have like a long-term goal / plan. And the goal with the dropshipping store, because it's not my passion, like I want to do, obviously, a lot of people probably think it's bollocks, but I want to work making money in my passion. Otherwise, it doesn't really interest me. So the dropshipping store was a cash cow, we call it. This is called a cash cow. That's what my dad would say. Focus on the cash cow. Focus on the cash cow. Because I kept getting like, what do you call it? Like, is it silver spoon when you want to do other shit?
Shiny object syndrome.
Silver spoon.
Silver spoon. That's what you have fucking
shiny object syndrome. So my dad was like, focus on the cash cow. So the dropshipping store was a cash cow. It got to the point where it was, to be honest, I could have doubled it. People could say, why would you keep going? But it got to the point where I completed a micro business. So we probably would have done 3 to 5 mil last year. But the problems it had, such as like some of the products quality, like products would smash upon arrival because they were so big. These are massive products, so like $500 AOV, and there's a lot of glass in there. So they would smash. But to fix that problem would be like, you need investment. I need to start getting fulfillment in local countries. I need to order in bulk stock. It was a massive headache. The problems were so simple, but it would take a lot of time and money, and also hiring like key staff members, which I just didn't want to do for a business I wasn't passionate about and invested in, which you could say is pretty stupid, but this is the path I've chosen. So it got to the point where I was like, this is sellable because there's a lot of opportunity for a buyer. So yeah, they offered us like a big payout. It was valued at $850, but I was an idiot and I took $600. But that's another conversation.
Yeah, but valued in what like someone's actually willing to buy is a bit different.
Bro, 2x. Bro, it was valued at $850 at like actual like flat market rate. It wasn't even a high value. Okay. But the problem we had is obviously it's a UK company, so the American buyers can't get loans to buy it. So you would need a full cash buyer, so it's pretty hard to get. Yeah. So I basically snapped at 600k. I took that. Yeah, so basically got to the point. I exited it, so I made enough money from it. I had enough of a payout to basically entice me to sell it, and the problems it had, and to take it to the next level, I wasn't invested enough to do that because I basically wasn't fulfilled with it.
Yeah,
which is pretty. You could say
you like lost motivation to do it.
Yeah, I wasn't motivated.
I mean, how long were you doing that store?
3 years.
Yeah, like fuck me, that's a long time.
Yeah,
like,
and I wasn't progressing as a person. I would say
that makes sense.